Hi guys, today we will discuss how to do speed addition. Which are the basic tricks and techniques you need to follow to do the speed addition. So let me start how to do speed addition. So example you have. So let's we take a small example. So that you can able to solve the problem very easy. 72, 88, 16, 94, 21. Okay, this is the given example. How to solve this problem? Yeah, speed calculation. See, generally we have to do addition in the sense it's a long procedure that 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, like that. But there is another way, tricks or the technique you need to follow in the speed addition is, here the trick you have is friends. Which are the friends? One friend is 9, 2 friend is 8, 3 friend is 7, 4 friend is 6, 5 friend is 5 etc. The children who are very slow, they could not able to find the friends, even they can go with by using the help of fingers. In our finger there are 10 fingers, right? So there are 10 fingers we have. See here, when you're going to take one friend, this is the one, right? So one, if you close, the remaining there are 9 fingers. So the one friend is 9. Okay, then go for 2. 2 friend is 8. 2 friend is 8. Then as usual 3 friend is 7. Then 4 friend is 6. 4 friend is 6. Then 5 friend is 5. So like this you need to remember the fingers. Next, go for doing the addition. 2 friend is 8 and 4 friend is 6. 2 friend is 8. 6 friend is 4. There are 3 pairs of 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So you have to write 1, 3 you have to take carry. Okay. Same procedure you need to follow even in left side. So 5 friend is 5 and 8 friend is 2 and 9 friend is 1. Here also you can find there are 3 pairs of 10. 1, here you go with like this. 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 7 is 37. 37 plus 3 is 40. So 40 you have to write as answer. Okay. So another one problem we will do now. So the example you have like this. 47, 56, 63 and 54 is another one problem. Problem number 2. How to do speed calculation. If you know the friends, aram se you can able to solve the problem. So 7 friend is 3, 6 friend is 4. There are 2 pairs of 10. So 20, 2 carry. So 2 plus 4. Okay, if you know you can do like this, or you can go with directly the pairs of friends. So 4 friend is 6, 5 friend is 5. So here also 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. I hope you find this video very useful. If you find the video is very useful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.